Okay, so reading these graphs is always a bit challenging, but let's take our time, try to go as slow as we can here. So there's 80, and again, we can tell there's 80 because the top data point at the end is 80. The first question says, find the number of drivers that travel this between 3,200 and 5,000. So 3,200, can't really zoom in big enough on this, but 3,200, there's 10 lines there. So 3,200 is the second one. So I go up here as close as I can. I should try to put a better graph on there for you guys, but we'll see. All right, 3,200. Right about there, so it's 45. That's where I start at, and then 5,000 might be, 5,000 is right there, which is 78. So between those two numbers, so between 78, so 78 minus 45 is 33. All right, so 33 there. Use the cumulative frequency curve to find the median. All right, so that's 0.5 times 80, which is the 40th one. All right, so 40 looks to me like it's right at 3,000. The lower quartile is 0.25 times 80, which is the 20th one, which 20th one is 2,500 right at there, 2,500. And then the upper quartile, 0.75 times 80, which is the 60th one. And the 60th one is right there, which looks like it might be right at 3,500. Yeah, 3,500 for the 60th one. Interquartile range, 3,500 minus 2,500 is 1,000. Write down the percentage of drivers that travel the greater distance in the upper quartile. That means 75% were upper quartile under, so 25% are over the upper quartile. Write the number of drivers that travel a distance less than or equal to 27,500. All right, so 27,500. Now we're gonna have to do a little estimation here because our graph is not the most fantastic thing ever. 27,500, there's 2,500, so it's halfway in the middle there. So it's going up about there, which looks to me like it's 27. All right, and again, you would have a little leeway on something like this if the graph was that bad on the test, but you'll be able to zoom in. It is known 11 drivers traveled more than m kilometers. Find the value of m. So I got to go to my thing here. 11 would be one line above the 10, which would be right. Oh, that's not going to work. Oh, I should have got a way better graph that I stole off the internet. 11 is right there. All right, and that's one tick past 2,000, so it'd be 2,100. Okay, have no fear when you do any reattempt or anything on this, you're going to have a really, really good graph that you can zoom right in and see very clear.